JataCloud File Storage Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think all cloud storage services are the same, but you won't believe what happens next when privacy becomes the priority. JataCloud is a cloud storage service based in Norway that offers automatic backups, file syncing, and photo storage. The surprising truth is that JataCloud offers unlimited storage plans with strong privacy protections under strict European data laws. Most people get this wrong. They think unlimited means unlimited speed. In reality, upload speeds may slow down after large amounts of data. JataCloud is best for users who want long-term backups and privacy. The surprising truth is that where your data lives matters. Subscribe for more honest cloud storage reviews that protect your files.